Hi and welcome back to Cozy Corner Crafts, and today is going to be our vampire. So if you got the last kits, if you saw the kits that we did for, I think it was a werewolf and a witch, this one is going to be the vampire if you got the vampire. So what I'm going to do is, again, we have our little person, and what we're going to do is we're going to take the sticky off the back. And we're going to put the cup on. So we're going to wrap his hands around like we did before with the other ones. So there we go. Then we have the vampire's face. So we're going to stick it onto our sticky area. There we go. Then I'm pretty sure this goes behind his head. So let's see if we can still do that. Nope, it's not letting me do that. So he's going to have a bow tie. It's kind of cute. Then we're going to put his eyes on. There's his one eye. And there is his second eye. And then, let's see here. He's got teeth. Here is his mouth. Do you see his teeth? And then he's got a bow tie. Bow tie? Vampires wear bow ties? So you're going to put it right there. And he needs his trick-or-treat bag, doesn't he? And it's a pumpkin. And we're going to put it right there. Now we need to have his hands. We're actually purple hands. We've had some different colors, haven't we? Here's his one. And there's his second hand. It's actually holding on to his bag. And there's one more thing that vampires have. And that is, it's his hair. So again, we're going to pull that one off. Maybe it's a mustache. And we are going to put his hair on. There we go. And there is the vampire craft for this week. I hope to see you soon, and again, let me know what you're putting in your cups, okay? We'll talk to you soon. Bye.